Hey everybody, Brent Simmons here with Restoration Roofing, and today we're talking about one of the biggest questions we get asked after a big storm, and that is, do I really have to pay my insurance deductible? Well, the short answer is yes, and I'm going to explain why. So when you file a roof claim, your insurance company will agree to pay the amount it will take to put that roof back to its normal condition minus your deductible. Your deductible is what you agreed to pay should any type of claim come up. It is actually a contract between you and your insurance company. So a little example here is, if you have a $2,000 deductible and the roof is going to cost $20,000, you will pay the first $2,000 and then your insurance company after that will agree to pay the $18,000 to finish the roof. Your deductible is not a fee, it is actually your share of the responsibility of the claim. And it is designed to keep insurance premiums reasonable and to help prevent fraud. In fact, in the state of Tennessee, it is actually a law that states that you are required to pay your deductible. And there's a lot of roofers out there causing some controversy and doing things that are actually getting homeowners in trouble. Roofing companies are not allowed to waive or give credits for deductibles. That's actually considered falsifying the total amount of a claim, and that is insurance fraud. And there's no way to skirt around paying a deductible without committing insurance fraud. I'm going to tell you exactly how they do it. There's a couple different ways. One of the ways they do it is they put on materials that are not as good as what's listed on the insurance claim, so this helps them to save money, which in turn they can turn around and pass along to you to help you waive your deductible. Another thing that they do is they will actually artificially inflate the invoices of the claim itself, turn that in to try to make it look like you just paid your deductible. And the problem with that is, if the insurance company were to ever audit what's going on in the claim, they want to see proof of checks, payment, things like that. That's where you can get in some really bad trouble. At Restoration Roofing, we are not going to do anything to put you at any type of legal risk with the law or with the insurance company. We're going to make you pay your deductible, but we're also not going to cut any corners. We're not going to do anything shady, because at the end of the day, we just want to do things the right way. We want to install a quality roof that we can actually back with a good warranty. And we're a company that plans on staying around this area for a very, very long time. So if you would like a free roof inspection, or you've got some leaks, whatever you need, give us a call. 901-854-3402. Thank you.